Hello, marhaba and assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to a new episode of Invest in High-End Projects in Istanbul with your investment guide 𝗘𝗠𝗪𝗁. So I believe our project 𝗘𝗠𝗪𝗁 is amongst the high-end projects in Istanbul. Why? Because of three reasons. The first is this magnificent view of our Marmara Sea, and you can have this view from your apartment. We don't have any other project in Istanbul. The second one is exclusivity. We just have total of 600 units in this 10 blocks, and the third one is the pricing. One bedroom apartment starting from $1 million and up to $5.5 million 5-bedroom apartment. So I believe if you wanted to have this view from your balcony, and if you wanted to live here with your family and you see your future in Istanbul, this should be an opportunity for you. So my lovely investors, it's all about why for me, For me, as I talk about all the time, it's all about lifestyle. It's about living for yourself, for your upcoming generations. And what is your why? Let's talk about few whys. The first why is the location. I believe our location is amazing. One of the finest coastal lines of the project we have, Marmara Sea, right? Based in 𝗘𝗠𝗪𝗁𝗃, 𝗪𝗑𝗪. Next to us is the famous 𝗘𝗠𝗪𝗁𝗃 area. And next to us, I believe 20 minutes we are talking about, we will reach to the city center of Istanbul, Fatih region, Taksim region. So location is amazing. Now let's talk about maths. Why you should invest here? Why I believe this can be an opportunity. This is the time you should enter into the market, Because if we'll talk about numbers, our interest rates has reached up to 50%. It's been a year now. And I believe in next couple of months, 6 to 8 months, maximum we are talking about, as per the governor of State Bank, he said that they will drop up to 25%. What will happen? At the moment, Turkish people have took out the money from the apartments, from their vehicles, and they have placed the money into the banks to take the interest. And once the interest rate will drop, they will take out the money from their banks and they will again place it in the properties. That's how it is. This is not Dubai, where 90% of the foreigners are living. This is Turkey. This is Istanbul, where 90%, 95% of the local people are living here. From generations to generations. We are talking about a history of 4,000 years, right? In this project, we have 1 bedroom, 2 bedrooms, 3, 4, 5 bedrooms. Starting price is almost $1 million, and it can goes up to $5.5, $6 million with Kadave, with VAT. But if you are a foreigner investment, we can take the exemption for you, of course. There are a few things that we can talk about. But I believe if you really wanted to live in the amazing neighborhood with a luxurious lifestyle and with the coastal line, this project, trust me, this project can be an opportunity for you. And if you have any other question, any other query, you can always write us down. You can always follow us. My Instagram will be here. You can check me, what I'm doing, how my life is going on, how I am visiting the projects, and about a successful businessman who is living in Istanbul. So my lovely investors, I believe you have seen the video, you know about the project and the pricing, and if you really wanted to invest here, you see your future here, I believe this can be an opportunity for you. For further information, you can contact us and be with us to see more videos about the invest in high-end projects in Istanbul with Adil Sami.